This is the latest cable fault pinpointer. Now we'll introduce you its wiring method. Here are the signal transmitter and earphone. Plug the earphone into the earphone port of receiver. This is the sensor. Use the black line for connecting. Put the two plugs of the line respectively into the sensor and receiver. Plug the handle into the sensor and revolve to fix it in. Then loosen the knob to adjust its height. Long press the power button to turn on the device. And press it again to choose certain functions. The first is the noise function, defaulted to be off. Press the central key to switch to strong noise reduction, which filters all the noise away and only to identify the cable fault point discharging sound. Press the central key again and it will be switched to self-adaptive noise reduction mode. It's a progressive steady mode, which means the noise will gradually disappear and end up only discharging sound. The second is filter function. Usually we set it on full-time mode. The third is touch mute function, an exclusive function for sensor. It will automatically mute when we touch the pole, which enhances the operating experience. Next is for adjusting the gain of magnetic field. The automatic mode is recommended. The last one is about working modes. You can choose a display mode between digital and waveform. The digital mode can be used for cable fault pinpointing.